Hello and welcome to Simon Security Expert. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 cool gadgets that you can use to help protect you whether you're at your home, your business, out at a hotel or even just walking out and about on the street. I'm also doing a free giveaway of all this equipment, so stick around to the end and I'll tell you how to win. So let's begin with Sash Jammers. I have got one of these devices on every single window in my house. A lot of windows are really easy to open, just like the guy's doing here. But these are really strong units that you can attach onto your window to give you that added layer of security. And visually, when you're looking at your window as well from a distance, you can see if you've actually got them applied or not, which is a bit better than, say, when you lock your window. It can be a difficult thing to tell unless you actually go up and test it with the key. So anyway, let's see how they get on in action. Okay, so as you can see, I'm at my lounge window and I have Sash Jammers right across both windows. So one each side. You can get away with just putting one, but if you've got quite a large window area, I'd advise putting 2. So let's imagine my window isn't even latched down. Let's put some force into this window to show that it would be hard work to jimmy this window open. Oh, right. They've held up really well. Ideally, if you can have this locked with the key and have the Sash Jammers on, it makes it really difficult for anyone to prise this window open. So there you go. Put Sash Jammers on all your windows and even your doors, and you'll make it much harder for someone to gain entry. This leads us on nicely to our door/window contacts. You get about 8 of these in a pack, and they're really good for just providing an audible warning device if someone actually does manage to open up a door or a window in your house. Let me give you a quick demo here, and then I'll show you what it's like in action. So turn this on, and as the contact moves away, so let's go and try this out on one of the windows that we've just been at to test the Sash Jammers. So now we're back at this window where we tested the Sash Jammers earlier. Difference is we have the window contact, the audible window contact that's stuck onto the frame with the self-adhesive tape. So if we open up the window, imagine someone has been working hard enough to jimmy the window open with enough force. As soon as they do, goes into an audible alarm. Meaning that if someone had already done the hard work to try and jimmy the window open, they'd then be met by this audible alarm, which would usually just make someone panic and run away because they think they've been detected. Winner. There you go. Great little pieces of kit. Really handy to just make sure that the intruder knows there's been an audible alert and you'll be alerted to it in case you're maybe in a different room. Now we have an audible motion sensor. You can use this indoors or outdoors. And what it'll do with this motion sensor here, when anything moves past it, it's going to send an alert and it'll give an audible alert to this chime unit here, which you can have in the house somewhere, and it just means someone couldn't be moving around your property without you being aware of it. So let's get outside in the great British cold weather and give this a try out. So here we go. This is in my back garden now because this can be used outside. So we've got my house over there and we've got the sensor just over there. I've set it up on the fence, and when I walk past it, this will make a sound and alert anyone who's, say, in the house that someone is moving in that area. So let's go test it out. So I'm looking very confused here, wondering what the problem is, wondering why it hasn't worked, and then realising, oh, it's me. Oh, okay. That didn't work. Let's test it out again and I'll remember to actually turn this on. Oh my God. There we go. Okay. Let's give this another go. Right. There you go. So no one will be able to move around in maybe your front garden or your back garden without some sort of audible tone coming from that device, coming back to that speaker, alerting you to if anyone's around. It can also be used in, say, a shop where you might be sitting in the back of the shop, and then you can have that at the front door. When someone comes through the door, it'll beep and go off and let you know that there's someone in the entrance area. So there you go. I've been testing this for a while. It's actually really reliable, apart from when I forget to turn it on. But other than that, really happy with it. And for the price it is, it's a good little piece of equipment. Now let's move on to a really cool one. I think this one's my favorite. It is the Door Stop with an audible alarm. So this is one that you can either use at your home or you can take it away with you if you're on hotel trips. It's lightweight, but it's strong. So you put this under the door. If someone tried to force the door open, it's going to send an audible alarm, and it's going to make sure the intruder knows that you're aware someone's trying to break in, and just bring attention to the whole thing. So let's go to my front door and try it out. So here we go. The door stop is in place. It's switched on, and I've even left my door here unlocked. So now I'm going to go round the back and really put some force into trying to open this door, so I can show you what happens when the door even tries to get opened. Okay, I'm going to go round. Right, so there we go. I have been forcing that door as hard as I can without potentially breaking it, and I couldn't open this door more than an inch. And just for context, I'm 16 stone and 6'2", so you know, someone's going to have a hard job getting past this. And for the whole time it's happening, the alarm's going off to alert people that there's someone trying to gain entry. So you could even take this with you to, say, a hotel, and when that's under the door, someone couldn't force their way in, or it'd be very, very difficult and take a long time. Whew. So a great product, and it also comes with this door lock here. And what this is, you put this into the actual locking mechanism, it just clips on, and it means even if someone's got a key to your property, they can't get in, it blocks the door closed. So linking these two things up together works really well, and you can take this away. So I highly recommend it for whether you're using it at home or you're going away on hotel trips. And finally, for our last product, we have an audible panic alarm. Now, I've bought these for all the women in my family, you know, my mum, my sister, girlfriends, things like that. It's just a piece of equipment that gives a little bit of a peace of mind to me and to them as well. Look, I understand the comments that I've sometimes had on this, being that, oh, you shouldn't have to use one of these. But unfortunately, the world isn't all sunshine and rainbows, and it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So usually this will be used in a way to scare a potential attacker away. So it has a light on it, which will also have a flashing unit on it as well. But the main thing about it is if it's clicked twice, oh, that is so loud. I forgot how loud they were. So you get it pretty much. It's going to draw attention to anything that's going on, and it'll scare a potential attacker away. Or even if you're in some sort of medical emergency and you can't physically make the correct sounds to be able to get someone's attention, if you press this, it will draw attention to you so you can get the help that you need. So there you go, 5 great security products that you can get on Amazon for under $15, or if you use real money like British pounds, it's around about 12 quid. I'll be giving all these away to a lucky winner. So if you want your chance to win, just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in the description. And in 2 weeks, I'll do a random draw, get in touch, and send this all to you worldwide. Thanks for watching.